Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is I-Tech Tips. On this channel, what I do basically is to share various money making opportunities, and the ones I've spotted, and they have actually given me proof that they would definitely give you certain returns when you join them. I share them on this platform. So basically, what I do here is to make recommendations, and also, as I always say, you need to be wise and to invest wisely too in any platform that you got to join at any time. So regardless of what people might be telling you, you also need to be wisen up. So when you wisen up, you can be able to afford what you would be able to uh, lose as well. So that is actually one of the anthems behind online investment, because these people, they can easily change overnight. They can easily change overnight and become something else that you would never thought they would turn into. So um, concerning, I want to talk about Transocean platform that I actually made a video about on this channel. So Transocean has been paying massively, and a lot of people have benefited from the platform for quite a long since it was initiated. So the platform has not actually stayed for a long. I think it has lasted just for about 3 weeks now. So, and just yesterday, I also uploaded a video on this channel about the platform, about concerning their recent update and promo event that came up. So I do not actually know the tactics behind the promo, but I saw it and I joined as well, and most people also joined. But right now, as I'm talking to you, withdrawal has been pending since yesterday afternoon, and I got a message on their Telegram channel that every withdrawal will be approved with time, that people need to be patient with them. So as I'm talking to you guys, the withdrawal has been pending up till now. It's over 12 hours, and I have also reached out to the customer service, but nothing has been done yet. So I believe it would get approved. So let's be very conscious about all these platforms, guys. So always have invest what you can afford to lose, and stay tuned on this channel while I share opportunities and some recommendations of platform that you would definitely benefit from. So in this video, let's actually dive into a new platform that has been for a while now, and I waited till I made a withdrawal, my first withdrawal. So before I decided to present this video on this channel. So when you look at this platform, the platform name is PGWorld. PGWorld is one of the platforms that pays you to buy a pet, that is dog precisely, and feed them on daily basis. So your what you are doing here is you buy a pet, a dog pet, and you sign in on daily basis, feed them and get paid depending on the amount of dog you purchase. So you first purchase dog, and then you purchase a feed for it, then you sign in on daily basis, feed them. It's very simple. Within a second you've done that. So, and when you sign up, you first receive a free dog that will last for 180 days, and your earnings for that particular free one is 100 naira. But to boost your earning, you have to purchase a dog for yourself, and then you'll be feeding the dog on daily basis. So I'll be showing you everything on this video. So when I click on wallet, let me first show you my withdrawal proof. So when I click on wallet right here, you will see that I've actually, when I click, see where you locate withdrawal record. So when you click on the withdrawal record, you can see I actually withdrew 5,000 naira yesterday, and the money arrived almost within a few minutes. I placed the withdrawal. So, and this is just the approved withdrawal that I made. So the withdrawal was actually approved, and that is why I've decided to make this video after that. So now I'll be showing you everything step by step. This is home. So when once you sign in or you log in and sign in, you get to get to this place. Now to get started, all you need to do is to first of all go to the dog area. So you go to the first official pet dog. So this first place, now you click on go. So it will take you to this place. So it will bring you to this place. This first one that is having a 180 days of its duration. So this first one is a free dog that you'll be given immediately you sign up and log into your dashboard. So this one, even if you do not deposit, you'll be earning 100 naira per day. So when you get to 5,000 naira, you get to withdraw for free without any charge. Now the first thing you have to do when you are here, let me use this first one for example, is you go to feed, you click on feed, you will see buy. You will see something like this because you've not, assuming you are starting on this platform for the first time, you will get to see go to buy. So this is the first place you locate. So assuming you want to purchase this deck that will cost 10,500 naira, and the first one will cost, the paid one will cost 3,500 for the first dog. That is the minimum amount of dog you can purchase on this platform. Now the second one will cost 10,500, and the duration of this purchase is going to be 180 days. So sorry, 360 days. So 365 days, that is a year. So this dog will last for a year if you purchase any of these. So, and the one with the minimum purchase fee is this 3,500 naira, so which is a Pomeranian dog. So if you purchase this dog, you'll be earning 480 naira. Then plus this free one that will be paying you 100 naira, making it 580 naira every day. So that is how to make money online on this platform. So first of all, you need to click on this go to buy. So when you click on go to buy, it will take you to this page. Because I do not have enough amount to use and purchase dog here, but because I have already purchased the first one, and that is the one I want to put I intentionally want to purchase for the first place. So when I click on confirm, assuming I want to make payment, what I need to do now is to put the amount I want to pay. That's the same amount that I need to pay to purchase this dog, to start raising it. Then I'll select this payment method, pay now. When you click on pay with now, or you click on pay with SPH pay or USDT. So when you pay with USDT, I prefer purchasing with USDT because I have Trust Wallet and other exchanger, and you'll be getting 10% bonus when you use this USDT payment method. So assuming I want to pay with Naira, I will click on this. So when I click on this, I'll fill out these details. Then I'll click submit. So submit, immediately you submit, it will take you to the next page for payment. So that is what happens. So if you select this one too, you click on this confirm, it will also bring you to this place. You have to fill in your details, name and phone number, then click submit, and the money will the page for payment will pop up. Then you pay into the account, and then you immediately you pay, the money will reflect on your balance, and this part will be confirmed. It will start writing go to feed, because you have opened the you've purchased the dog. So immediately you deposit, the dog will be purchased. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on feed, to feed food store. So when you click on food store, you will see that it will take you to the page where you need to purchase food for the dog. So the first thing, so the actual thing you do here is you buy a dog that will last for a year. Then you purchase a feed according to the amount you have with you. So, and depending on the length of time you want the feed to last. So assuming I want to purchase a feed that will last for 3 days, I'll go for this 900 naira feed. So the price for this 3-day of um, feeding of this dog is 900 naira. So if I want to purchase it, I'll simply click on go to buy. So when I click on go to buy, it will purchase immediately. So if you do not have enough money, it will take you to the payment page also, where you need to deposit to come and purchase this feed. So you buy dog and buy feed for it, then you start making money. That is how it works, guys. It's very simple. So, and if I want to purchase a 9 days feed for this dog that I've, depending on the amount of dog you purchase, so you get to purchase it with 2,700. So after a 9 days time, it will expire. You need to purchase another feed after purchasing dog. So now this one is 27 days. You purchase it with 8,100. And the if you are on this 3,000, this first one that I actually talked about, so this particular one now, so this dog that will, depending on the amount of dog you are able to purchase. So when you come to this place now, you see different dog prices. So here, this first one is for free. Immediately you register, you come to this place and purchase and start feeding the dog. You come to food store and click purchase feed. It will write successful. For 180 days, you'll be earning 100 naira on daily basis. So that is all for this first free one. Then for the paid one, the first paid one is 3,500. You click on go to feed. It will take you to, if you have purchased this, it will start writing go to feed instead of go to buy. So if you have not purchased, it will write go to buy. That is where you have to make payment. So I will show you how to deposit money and also how to withdraw on this platform after explaining how everything works. So after you've purchased, you buy food for it. So after buying food, you come to this place and go to feed. Then you feed the dog on daily basis. So that is how it works. So you'll be getting 480 here. You'll be getting 1,440 for the this particular dog, and then the first one will be giving you 100 naira for free. So, and the minimum withdrawal here is 5,000 naira, as I've shown you my proof of withdrawal. So now, so when you come to this, you can play around all these options here, but basically this is the option for buying of dogs and how to feed them and get paid on daily basis. So to be able to withdraw money on this platform, all you need to do is to come to this wallet. So you click on wallet, as I've actually shown you this before. So so this is the deposit record, and this is the withdrawal record. So when I go to my deposit record, you can be able to see that I've actually bought a dog. So this is the approved one. So I actually purchased this, and they gave me discount. So the first one I purchased was the dog, I paid for it, and there was a discount that was given because I used USDT to purchase. They gave me 10% discount. So, and the second one was the feed fee that I paid for, and it actually entered and I started making money. So now, as you can see, I have a balance of 1,739. So immediately I reach 5,000, I will still withdraw my earnings from this platform. So, and my daily earning is 580. So, and that is how it works. So when you want to deposit, you simply click on this deposit now. So you put the amount you want to. Try and read up what the page usually pop up with. So I'll just type in the amount I want to purchase with. So you can just literally decide to deposit, check the amount for the fee and the amount for the dog, and then pay once. Then you start making money on this platform. So that is the easier way to purchase a dog after you've gone through the various dog fees and the feeding fees too. So you just sum it up together and then deposit once and start making money. And the minimum amount you can deposit here is 1,000 naira. So that is how it works. Now, to be able to withdraw your money, you click on this withdrawal. So when you click on withdrawal, you can decide to cash out using USDT, which is this second option. If you prefer this, you can use this, and if you prefer bank transfer, you use this, where you'll be prompted to put your bank details. Then you can be able to put the amount here. So if it is up to 5k, you can simply click 5,000 naira. Then you click on continue, and this page like this will pop up. You put your bank details. When you put that, the branch code will reflect here, and you send confirm. It will be reviewed within a few minutes, and your money will land in your wallet or in your bank account. So that is basically what this platform is all about, guys. So if you want to download the app, you go to Play Store and type PGWorld. So, and after signing up, I'll be dropping the link in the description of this video. So if you're interested in making money on this platform, you simply use the link to sign up, and you can scroll through the platform and start with the free one. Then after a space of time, if you wish to continue with the paid aspect part of it, you can also subscribe and purchase fee dog and the feed, then start making money on daily basis depending on the investment plan you make. So always try to check platforms very well and invest what you can afford to lose. For that is actually the motto behind every online investment. So thank you for watching, guys.